Matt Styles and Lydia kissing.
That's right.
These lips are for all of you girls. Me.
Well, Holland, what is it like to kiss Dylan O'Brien?
Oh my God, so first offense to the lips.
The episode.
I mean, it's funny because these boys are like my brothers.
So it's like
Thank
kissing
you.
your brother?
Kind
Holland has
of.
very nice lips to kiss.
I was so composed, it's weird.
Oh, God.
I take it back.
It's funny because we saw a version of this that Jess showed us about a week ago, and that was not in there. So, yeah, you guys will have to stay tuned about what that's about, I guess. But yeah, it's a great friend.
I'll tell you, the kiss
Very good
isn't just a
kisser.
kiss. I'm sorry, Jesse? The kiss isn't just a kiss.
It's also sex.
Alright, we'll leave it at that. So,